Hello friend. Today I am going to discuss you about the how can you log in without entering your password in Windows 10. Okay. You have seen that whenever you power up your computer or laptop, you have to enter your login password in order to enter in the Windows and access your desktop. So there could be a two way. It depends on the your Windows update version. If you are using the Windows which has not been updated since 2022, then there is a direct option. But my computer, my laptop has been updated currently 2024, so this feature is not available there, but I will show you. If you are using not updating Windows before the 22, then how can you do it without any third party software? You can go just write a search bar and search for the run app, and here you have to type the command net plwiz net please, and just click OK. Here you will see an option auto login. You have to just check it and provide your Windows login password. Then the computer will log in you without asking you password on the power start. But as I told you that I have updated my PC, so there is no option for auto login. But in order to solve this problem, Microsoft has provided one software. By using that, you can easily log in without entering the password. You can also download that password from the Microsoft website. I will give the link, and I will give you download link from my the share folder, so you can download from there also. So how can you do that? There is a this is name of the software, auto login. You can just double click, and this is 64 and 34 version. Let's say I am using 64, then I will just double click this one, click yes, and just make a license, software license term and condition agreement. Yeah, agree. And now here is my username, domain, and the password. Here you have to apply your password what you are using. Okay. Let's say my password what I am using, I have written here. Okay, now just make it enable. Auto login successfully configured. Note the auto login password is encrypted. Okay. Now after that you can try restart your PC, then your PC will not ask you the password, it will automatically log in your desktop. And if you want to make it disable, again the same process. Might be in future you need, you if you think that this is the some security reason, if your computer or laptop is used by someone else, then this is not a good practice. In this way you can also disable it. Again the same process, you have to just open the auto login 64, the version application, and then here you have to write the password and make it disable. Then it will be disabled. Okay, you have to write the password 123 and make it disable. Auto login is disabled. In this two way you can either enable and disable your auto login, and you can get rid of by again putting your password whenever you power on your laptop or PC. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this one. Till next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.